God, as I prepare to rest, I come to you with a tired mind and a sincere desire for healing. Calm my thoughts and bring peace over my life. Help me release every fear, worry, and gambling urge that tries to control me. Tonight, I allow myself to slow down, breathe, and let go. You know my struggles, the pain gambling has caused, the moments I felt weak, lost, and ashamed. You see everything inside me, even what I try to hide. Yet you still accept me, guide me, and offer me strength. As I relax deeper, take away the desire for gambling. Remove the temptation that disturbs my peace. Quiet every thought that pushes me toward risk. Replace cravings with calm, clarity, and discipline. Fill the empty spaces of my mind with your light. Help me let go of the illusion of easy wins. Help me see clearly that gambling brings stress, distraction, and loss. Let your peace fill every part of me. Let your presence relax my body and guide my mind toward rest. Protect me from thoughts that try to trick me or pull me back into old habits. Tonight, I choose rest instead of risk, calm instead of chaos, healing instead of hurting myself. Help me rebuild my life, strengthen my habits, my discipline, and my decisions. Give me the power to walk away from temptation tomorrow and every day after. As I drift toward sleep, surround me with safety. Guard my heart from fear and anxiety. Remind my spirit that I am strong enough to change. I am capable of recovery. I am worthy of peace. Help me understand that I do not need gambling to feel alive or satisfied. Those are lies, and I release them now. Tonight, I choose stability, responsibility, and peace. If tomorrow brings challenges, give me strength. If urges appear, remind me of this calm. If fear rises, fill me with clarity. Let me wake up refreshed, focused, and protected. Ready for a healthier future. Thank you for guiding me and loving me, even in struggle. As I fall asleep, I trust you are healing me and leading me toward freedom. I release today my mistakes, my urges, and my fear. Amen.